This video is going to show you how to make pepperoni rolls. First, I get frozen dough from the grocery store, some pepperoni, some pizza cheese or mozzarella cheese, need some vegetable oil, some parsley, some Parmesan cheese. I took some oil and put the parsley and Parmesan cheese in here to brush the bread with when we're done making it. You take a loaf of the bread and stretch it out like this. And then we put the pepperoni on it, as much as you like. Spread it out. Just like that. Then we take some of the pizza cheese. I use the Italian blend, which is Parmesan, mozzarella, Asiago, and cheddar. And you just put half a bag on there. And just spread it out. Then we're going to pull each end up so they meet, just like that. I also have the oven preheating on 375. And we're going to bake it at 375 for about 25 minutes. Always use parchment paper so nothing sticks to the pan. All you do is just bring it both sides together just like that. Fold up the end. Fold up the end like that so it doesn't leak. Then you just roll it over. Okay. Then we're going to brush it with the Parmesan parsley mixture. Just a little bit. Just like that. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan on top. Okay, then we're going to stick it in the oven for 25 minutes on 375 until it's golden brown. Okay, pepperoni rolls are done. They have pepperoni and cheese in them and are brushed with vegetable oil, parsley, and Parmesan cheese. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.